Whenever you are ready.
So fucking nice outside, but I'm stuck in here entertaining you guys. Hey guys, it's Jillian. I am here today with Flying Dog's new package that I just got. I'm very excited about it. I have been kind of looking forward to this for a while. That was heavier than I thought it would be. And as you know, I'm a huge fan of Flying Dog, and I'm just so excited that I finally received something from them. Yeah, smile, look at the camera. I'd like to note the thanks for handling my package, our package. So I'm assuming it's a note to the postman. Ooh, variety can pack. I wonder what's in here. All right out of the bat. What's in the box? Let's see how it goes. Ooh. Well, our first beer right out of the box, Snake Dog IPA. Very bright red can. I love this beer. It's bright here. This is my late night beer. It's my afternoon beer. It's my I woke up and I want to drink a beer. This is, I'm a big fan, so it's really exciting that it's in here. All right. Round number 2. Row number 2. We've got Blood. This beer is kind of a gateway to craft beer. So guys, you're trying to get your girls onto craft beer, start her with this. The worst posture. Okay, so next in line, what is our next one? Bitch. Bitch. Raging Bitch. You guys see it, focus. New packaging, looks really nice and clean. It's got a whole new look this year. This beer has definitely been a mainstay in my fridge, and it's one of the first ones I love recommending to my craft beer friends. Go Raging Bitch in the variety can pack. So this is our setup so far. We've got Snake Dog, Bloodline, and Raging Bitch. Really exciting. All right, so we are on our last and final row. I'm very excited about it. I'm actually getting a little warm. It's going really well. This just is so big. All right, so we've got 3 really good beers here, and I'm really very curious to know what's next on the list. You guys, they canned the truth. This IPA is by far the most satisfying of all of the IPAs. No offense, Snake Dog, you and I have a different relationship. Full disclosure, this beer came to fruition because we saw a gap in our portfolio and we wanted to increase our market share. And now it's in a 12-ounce can! And it's fucking glorious. Look how pretty. Look how pretty that green is. So that's it. That is our can variety pack from Flying Dog Brewery. Snake Dog IPA, Blood Orange, Okay, so that's it. That is our variety pack from Jesus. Macadamia nut, all in one can pack. 12 beers, 4 of each. 12 beers, 3 of each. Snake Dog IPA, Bloodline, Blood Orange Ale, Raging Bitch, Belgian IPA, and The Truth, Imperial IPA at 8.7 ABV. Excellent variety pack. I'm so excited to be able to just pick one of these up. But these babies are gonna taste great. They're gonna last a lot longer. And I'm very excited to kind of spend my entire summer with the Flying Dog variety pack. Don't forget to like my page, subscribe to my page, and leave a comment below so we can get your feedback on these beers. What are your favorites? What are you excited about? Are you excited to see these beers in a package together, or maybe just The Truth in a can for easy accessibility? You let me know. I'm really excited, and thanks so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.